Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best chocolate chip cookies ever, and it's not just because they're gluten-free, but they are, but just ever. And I'm also going to show you 3 ways to jazz them up a bit, and it has been approved by my parents and my sister probably, also by Mythical Kitchen. And yes, I'm gonna bring it up, it's a flex. This past summer I was actually a Mythical Kitchen intern. It was the best experience ever. As part of that internship, I tested a bunch of gluten-free flours to see which create a chocolate chip cookie that is most like a wheat cookie / the best. And I also was able to record a podcast with them and talk about those cookies, which was really, really awesome. And I highly suggest you go watch it because we do kind of talk about the flours and how each of them works. However, we don't talk about the chocolate chip cookie recipe that I used to make those cookies, which at first I thought was a blunder, but now I can use that as an excuse to make this video and show you guys a recipe. So first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius. No, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Next, you're going to brown your butter by taking your butter and putting it on a pan until it gets brown. While the butter is browning, you can go ahead and mix your dry ingredients, so your flours, your baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Then mix your white and brown sugars with your brown butter, an egg, and vanilla. Take your milk. We're gonna add our instant coffee. Then combine your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients in thirds. Fold in your chocolate. Then scoop your cookies on a foil-lined baking tray sprayed with butter and bake for around 10 to 14 minutes. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can elevate your cookie. So the first one we're going to bake as normal. And then the second one, we're going to be adding some toffee to. So I made this toffee earlier using half a cup of butter and half a cup of brown sugar. And now I'm just going to crush it somehow. So now you can just add these toffee pieces to your cookie dough and scoop and bake as normal. And for our last cookie, I'm not sure if this is gonna work out, I've never made this before, but earlier I made some bourbon mascarpone filling and I wanted to do a stuffed cookie, so we're gonna try that. And then scoop some of the filling. And then cover it. Place that on the tray. And I hope that's gonna work out. And now we're just gonna bake these as normal. So I just took the last batch of cookies out of the oven. We have our bourbon mascarpone cookie right here. We have our toffee cookie right here. And right here we have that regular cookie. But to take it to the next level, I just have some melted chocolate right here. I'm just gonna take it and spread it all over the back of the cookie. And then you're gonna wanna flip it onto some parchment paper, give it a little press. And now we're just gonna put it in the freezer for a few minutes to harden. So this is what the chocolate bottom cookie looks like. And here are all 3 beautiful cookies. They look so freaking good. I'm just gonna sprinkle some flaky salt on top. Taste test. I'm not gonna lie, I did already taste this one, but so good. I'm gonna try one of these mascarpone cookies. That one is so good. I'm gonna try this toffee. The toffee with the salt is so... I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that recipe, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if there are any recipes that you want me to try or any recipes you want me to make gluten-free. I'd love to hear your guys' suggestions, and I'll see you in the next video.